Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English Fluently Now. I'm Aria and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Jack, here too, of course. Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week.
Before we jump in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Yes, seriously, we drop new videos all the time and you don't want to miss them.
Okay, so today's topic is one that confuses learners all over the world. We're talking about speak versus talk.
Oh man, this one gets me every single time. I never know which one to use.
You're not alone. Let me set the scene for you. Imagine you're at work and your manager walks up and says, "Can I speak to you for a minute?"
Okay, that sounds serious already.
Right? Now imagine your friend texts you and says, "Let's talk tonight. I have gossip." Totally different feeling.
Oh yeah, that's way more relaxed. So the words change the whole mood of the sentence.
Exactly. And that's what we're breaking down today. So by the end of this video, you'll never mix them up again.
Perfect, because I definitely mix them up right now.
All right, rule number 1, we use speak for formal situations, or when we mean one person is talking and others are just listening.
Wait, so like a speech?
Exactly like a speech. Think about a boss speaking at a meeting or a teacher speaking to a classroom.
Okay, so it's more one-directional.
Right. For example, she spoke at the conference yesterday, or the manager spoke to the whole team this morning, or he spoke calmly during the interview.
Let me try one. My professor spoke for 2 hours and I almost fell asleep.
That's a great example, and grammatically perfect, too.
Thank you. I'm basically fluent now.
Slow down there, but yes, remember, speak feels formal, one way, and a little more serious. Think podiums, presentations, and important conversations.
Got it. Speak equals serious mode.
Rule number 2, we use talk for casual back-and-forth conversations between people.
Oh, so like when my friends and I just chat about nothing.
Exactly that. For example, we talked for hours on the phone, or let's talk about your weekend plans, or they were talking in the hallway between classes.
Can I try? My sister and I talked about our favorite pizza toppings for like 30 minutes.
Perfect example, very natural.
I take my pizza opinions seriously.
I can tell. So remember, talk is casual, relaxed, and usually a two-way conversation. Think coffee chats and phone calls with friends.
Talk equals chill mode. Got it.
Rule number 3, and this one trips a lot of learners up. Speak is often used with languages.
Oh, like I speak French?
Exactly. We say, she speaks 3 languages, or do you speak Spanish, or he can speak a little Japanese.
Wait, so we never say talk Spanish?
Nope, that would sound wrong to a native speaker. It's always speak plus a language.
Okay, so my grandmother speaks Italian at home.
Yes, perfect sentence.
I'm on fire today.
Just remember, languages always go with speak, never talk. Lock that one into your memory. And rule number 4, talk is often followed by about when we mention a topic, while speak usually stays more general or formal.
So like, let's talk about dinner versus the CEO will speak about the new project.
Exactly right. For example, we talked about our vacation plans all night, or she talked about her new apartment, or the doctor spoke about the treatment options.
Let me try. My roommates and I talked about who's doing the dishes this week.
Very relatable and totally correct.
It's an ongoing debate in my apartment, honestly.
I believe it. So remember, casual topics with friends use talk about. Formal announcements or presentations use speak about or just speak on. Now let's talk pronunciation for a second, because native speakers often blend these words in fast speech, and that trips learners up in listening.
Oh yeah, I always feel like people are speaking too fast for me to catch anything.
So here's a wrong way and a right way. The wrong way is pronouncing every word slowly and separately, like can, I, speak, to, you.
That sounds like a robot.
Exactly, and no native speaker talks like that. The natural way sounds more like, can I speak to you? All connected smoothly.
Let me try both. First, the robot way. Can I talk to you? And now, natural. Can I talk to you?
Yes, that second one sounded so much more natural.
I actually feel cooler saying it that way.
That's the goal. Connected speech makes you sound confident and fluent, so practice saying phrases smoothly instead of word by word. Okay, now let's move into today's phrase pack. These are 10 everyday phrases using speak and talk that you'll hear all the time.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Listeners, grab a pen or just repeat softly after us. This part really sticks if you say it out loud.
Yeah, don't just read it. Actually say it with us.
Phrase 1. Speak up.
Sorry, could you speak up? I can't hear you over the music.
We use this when we want someone to talk louder or say something more clearly, especially in noisy places or meetings.
Super useful in a loud restaurant.
Phrase 2. Talk someone into something.
My friend talked me into trying sushi for the first time.
This means convincing someone to do something they weren't sure about, great for describing peer pressure in a fun way.
My friends talked me into a roller coaster once. Never again.
Phrase 3. Speak your mind.
Don't be afraid to speak your mind in the meeting.
This means sharing your honest opinion, even if it's a little uncomfortable, very common in workplace advice.
I try to speak my mind, but nicely.
Phrase 4. Talk back.
The kid started talking back to his teacher and got in trouble.
This means responding rudely, usually to someone in authority, like a parent, teacher, or boss.
Every parent's nightmare phrase, honestly.
Phrase 5. Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil, here comes Sarah now.
We say this when we're talking about someone and suddenly they appear. It's playful and very common in daily conversation.
That happens to me all the time. It's kind of spooky.
Phrase 6. Talk over someone.
Please don't talk over me. Let me finish my point.
This means interrupting or speaking while someone else is still talking, useful in group meetings or family dinners.
My whole family talks over each other. It's chaos.
Phrase 7. So to speak.
He's the boss of the house, so to speak.
This softens a statement, showing it's not literally true, just a way of describing something, very natural in casual speech.
I like that one. It sounds smart.
Phrase 8. Talk something through.
Let's talk this problem through before we decide anything.
This means discussing something carefully, step by step, until it's fully understood, great for serious or emotional topics.
Very useful for arguments with a partner, honestly.
Phrase 9. Speak for yourself.
I loved the movie. Well, speak for yourself. I hated it.
This means someone disagrees and they're saying their opinion is different from yours. It's playful and common between friends.
I use this one a lot when we disagree about food.
Phrase 10. Talk shop.
Sorry, we keep talking shop. Let's change the subject.
This means talking about work topics, even in a casual setting like a party or dinner. People often apologize for doing it.
My partner always catches me talking shop at parties.
Great, that's all 10 phrases. Listeners, go back and repeat each one softly out loud. It really helps it stick.
Trust us, saying it out loud makes a huge difference.
Now let's test what you learned with a quick mini quiz. Listeners, try to answer before Jack does. Pause if you need to.
No pressure, Jack.
Question 1, multiple choice. Do we say, I speak 3 languages or I talk 3 languages?
That's, I speak 3 languages.
Correct. Languages always pair with speak. Question 2. Correct the mistake. What's wrong with this sentence? Can you talk to me in French?
It should be, can you speak to me in French? Because it's about language.
Exactly right. Well done. Question 3. Make it softer and more natural. How would you soften talk to me now?
Maybe, could we talk for a second when you get a chance?
Great answer. Much more polite and natural. Question 4. Real-life situation. Your coworker keeps interrupting you in a meeting. What phrase from today would you use?
I'd say, please don't talk over me. I'd like to finish my point.
Perfect. That's exactly the phrase we learned. Question 5. Open answer. Tell me about a time someone talked you into doing something.
Honestly, my friends once talked me into karaoke, and it did not go well for anyone listening.
I believe that completely. Great job on the quiz, everyone. Now let's hear these phrases in a real, natural conversation, just like 2 coworkers chatting during lunch.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, do you have a second? I wanted to talk to you about the project.
Sure, what's up?
Well, don't talk over me, but I think we should push the deadline.
Fair enough. Speak your mind. I'm listening.
Honestly, the client talked me into adding extra features, so we need more time.
Speak of the devil. That's exactly who's calling me right now.
Perfect timing. Just talk it through them calmly.
Will do. Hey, sorry we keep talking shop during lunch again.
It's fine, so to speak. This is basically our job now.
Fair point. Okay, let me speak to the client and sort this out.
Great. And remember, speak up if they push back too hard.
Absolutely. Thanks for talking this through with me.
Did you catch all the phrases in there? We used talk over, speak your mind, talked me into, speak of the devil, talk it through, talking shop, so to speak, and speak up.
That's like 8 phrases in one tiny conversation.
Exactly, and it sounded completely natural because that's really how native speakers talk every day. Now let's cover some common mistakes learners make with these words.
Oh no, am I about to make one of these mistakes right now?
Let's find out. Mistake number 1, saying talk English instead of speak English.
So, I want to talk English better is wrong?
Yes, it should be I want to speak English better. Remember, languages always pair with speak.
Oh no, I think I've said that wrong before.
Totally normal. It happens because in many other languages, one single word covers both meanings, so learners naturally translate directly. Mistake number 2, saying speak with your friends when you mean a casual chat.
So, I speak with my friends every weekend sounds too formal?
A little, yes. Native speakers would more naturally say, I talk with my friends every weekend. Speak can still work, but talk sounds more relaxed and common here.
Got it. So for casual friend stuff, talk is usually the safer choice.
Exactly. And mistake number 3, forgetting the word about after talk when mentioning a topic.
Like saying, we talked our weekend instead of we talked about our weekend?
Exactly. That's a super common one. You always need about when talk introduces a specific topic.
Okay, noted. About is not optional there.
Right. These mistakes happen because grammar rules differ across languages, so don't feel bad. Just keep practicing and it becomes automatic. All right, time for some guided practice. I'll give you 4 real situations and you respond using today's lesson.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Situation 1. You're at work and your coworker keeps cutting you off during a presentation. What do you say?
I'd say, please don't talk over me. Let me finish my point.
Great, that's a perfect workplace phrase. Now you try. Listeners, pause and say your own version out loud. Situation 2. Your friend is being unusually quiet and you want to know what's wrong.
Maybe, hey, can we talk? You seem a little off today.
Perfect. Warm and natural. Very good for a friendship situation. Situation 3. You're giving a toast at your best friend's wedding.
I guess I'd say, I'm honored to speak today about someone truly special to me.
Beautiful. Very fitting for that formal, one-directional moment. Situation 4. Someone just texted, speak of the devil about you joining a group chat.
I'd probably reply, ha, you were talking about me. All good things, I hope.
Perfect response. Playful and completely natural. Now you try. Listeners, think of your own reply and say it out loud right now. Okay, let's bring it all together with a quick recap.
You speak for formal, one-directional situations.
Use talk for casual, back-and-forth conversations.
Always pair speak with languages, never talk.
Use talk about for topics in casual conversation.
Blend your words smoothly, don't sound like a robot.
And use today's 10 phrases to sound natural and confident.
Formal moments, think speak. Everyday chats, think talk.
If you remember just one thing, remember this. Speak is formal and one way. Talk is casual and two-way. That single idea unlocks almost every situation. All right, here's your challenge for this week. Write one sentence using speak and one sentence using talk in the comments below.
I'll go first as an example. I need to speak with my landlord about the broken heater, and my roommate and I talked about splitting the grocery bill.
Perfect examples. See how different they feel?
Totally different vibes, formal versus casual.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Drop your sentences in the comments. We genuinely read every single one.
And if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you catch our next lesson.
Thank you all so much for learning with us today. You're doing amazing.
Seriously, every small step counts. Keep going.
We'll see you in the next episode of Speak English Fluently.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking, keep talking, and keep growing.
Fluency isn't perfection. It's simply the courage to keep speaking. See you next time.